Right. How's everyone doing? Oh, I'm finally back. I'm finally back. That's right. Been gone for a little while. We had a good trip. That is for sure. That is for sure. I am a little bit tired. As is all things when you have a fun weekend out like that. One of you inevitably gets sick. So I'm a little behind the schedule. I know I was supposed to stream tonight, and we're going to stream tonight. Let's actually do something. I'm going to get back into Eddington a little bit. I think we've been a little out and about. I feel like I haven't gotten a whole lot done on it. So we're going to do a little go. We're doing a little bit of go, and we're going to see how it. I haven't done a whole lot of go in Vim at this point, so we're going to see how this works out. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. My brain is pretty shot. Not gonna lie. Okay, we're working on KPAC. That's what we're doing. Let's I was trying to remember exactly where we were. Let's see. Null channel Eddington. Let's do it. Okay, sweet. Done. We already have a ticket for it. Working on it. So I actually think I was doing something a little bit different than KPAC just at the beginning, because who works on the problem that's actually the problem they need to solve when you can work on something that's just slightly different? So that's what I'm going to do right now. We have a massively way too long function in here called the new application. The app.post. Massively too big of a function here. This is horrifying, and we're just going to make it bigger because we make this deployment, which is cool. Very cool. But we don't actually make a service and a virtual service for this. I have an example of this. Let's just go ahead and get over here. We do this type of pattern. So let's try to do it right. Cloud deployments, apps, not apps. Deployments, let's see. I think it's an infra. It's not in infra. It's not. Ooh. Let's look here. I think maybe it's in here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So we make a service and a virtual service that ties it in to the null gateway. Perfect. Just how we like it. So basically, I think we want to make both of these for our deployment. In the future, we probably want to make a different gateway so it doesn't share our main gateway. Probably under like a different user, like a different domain name. You know, a lot of the times you'll have like, you know, the main domain is, you know, null cloud, but you know, the secondary is like null cloud D, like null cloud data plane or something like that. You know, DPD. Null cloud data plane, or you know, null cloud io.io or something like that. And that's like the data plane, just some short, easy to use URL. And then that way it can be like there's a couple ways to do it. You can do like null cloud.io/customer/ the resource, or you can do like customer.nullcloud or nc.io/resource. I actually kind of prefer this way. Feels a little bit more official. This way is a little bit more of a pain with certs though. This way is a little bit more of a pain with certs. So, you know, we'll see. We'll probably do the easy way. Just to be honest, we'll probably just do the easy way, because I feel like it doesn't really matter. You'll want your own domain if it's like a real thing. All right, so let's make one of those things here. Now, a really nice thing, let's Istio. For all your love or hate of Istio, for all of that you have, because you have a lot of it right now. Right now, some of you cringed, rightfully so. Some of you cringed, I know. They have done one thing right. They have done one thing right. There is Istio, and then there's the Istio API. This is the right way to make an operator, period. It's way more painful because of Go things, and Go workspaces don't work. But this is the right way to do it. Just hands down. All right. This repository will not depend on any other repositories except for tools. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, honestly, I think it's just these V1 types that we were wanting. Ooh, these are protos. Maybe this is not what I thought it was. Do they not have, like, their operator, like... What the garbage? Maybe I'm wrong with what I thought this was. I was thinking we were going to do something like, oh, bugger. Like this network Istio. Can we find this here? If this is not in here and I have to actually go to the operator, I'm gonna be a little annoyed. Can I just use their protos? Like, can I just... What are we even doing here? Let's see. Oh no. Oh no, we're gonna have to learn. Do use the name pattern area.istio for API group names. Yep. Use the version from the... Yep. Matches to... Okay. This is kind of cool. So API version, the kind of gateway. So their CRDs are defined in protobuffers. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. I need a usage. Is there a usage.md? How do I use? I need to use them with the Kubernetes API. And usually there's... Maybe what I need to do is just see how the base project uses them. This has to import the APIs, right? Do I want to dig through Istio? So this is going to have to register, right? But where? Where would it do it? I'm gonna... Wait. Maybe in the manifest? Should I just search? This doesn't look right at all. Let's see. Istio CTL might apply the resources. Ooh. Ooh, this is a fun import. Gotta love that. All right, let's just look for this. Oh, this is a config map. It's not a config map. Oh, wait, so we're returning this mesh config, but they're getting a config map here. I guess maybe it's just a specific config map. I guess not exactly what I was looking for. Maybe we can do the same though for like gateway, right? Istio API, does it have like a gateway? So API networking v1 beta 1, that's what we need to search for. So istio.io API networking / v1 beta 1. Nice, nice, nice. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're cooking on all cylinders. V1 beta 1. Okay. Okay. Not exactly what I was looking for. I'm kind of looking for how they interact with the kubectl. Maybe not. Maybe this is the wrong way to go about it. Well, more likely it's just not this. Although I would have expected... Oh, wait. I need this. Let's see. Run template. Apply over YAML. What is this? Apply over YAML. Or apply overlay YAML. Apply container merges a pod specs provided as JSON on top of a provided pod. Oh, gosh. This is kind of gross. Is that the solution, though? They don't use the Kubernetes API and they just do like strategic merge patches? I don't know. Every single time I like look to start using the Kubernetes API, I feel like this is where I end up, where I don't like any of the ways that it's actually done. So it's not a problem in Istio because they already have the functions. Like, they already have the things to deal with this. small fork of strategic merge patch to allow YAML patches. This avoids expensive conversions from YAML to JSON. So it just looks like what we were following just gets converted into YAML and patched that way. They don't actually use like the client. It's okay, I think. All right, let's just wing it. Let's just wing it. We're gonna do something like virtual service equals Istio network working. Okay, this is probably not correct, but what it will do, if we jump up here, we're just going to try to slide this in here. We're just going to do istio.io/networking. Oh, that's not how you spell that. Networking/v1 beta 1. And we called this Istio networking, right? Istio. Was it not Istio? How do they import it here again? Istio.io API networking. Oh, it's API networking. Oh, my bad. I can always just copy pasta since I have it here. If I have it wrong. No, that's right. Let's run tidy. Okay. All right, we have an import conflict. Let's see. Let's bump all these to 28. Yeah. 28 too. 28.2. There we go. Let's go back here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. What version of API machinery do they have? Let's just go. This is why I hate doing it this way. I thought APIs wasn't going to... I thought they've lied to us. This repo had not been on any other repositories except for tools. Did they lie? Did they? Where's their Go mod? Oh, here we go. They've lied to us. Straight to our face. Directly to our face. That hurts. This hurts. All right. I don't think this patch version is actually going to affect anything. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Maybe we can delete these and just get them to re-import. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, Go workspaces. Oh, how you plague my life. All right. All right. We're close. Okay, this cool. We got it working. Barely, but we got it working. All right. Cool. Go workspaces. I feel like there's a you were the chosen one. There should be a you were the chosen one meme for that one. All right. Have you used Go Workspaces? I'm asking you, Internet. Have you used Go Workspaces? I put a plea out onto the X and didn't get any help with Go Workspaces. I said, Internet, please help. And you guys said no. Now, the interesting thing will be is if we're able to do this with our deployment, with our virtual service. I hope so. I hope so. Let's just do it. The interesting thing is I don't know if our service account will work for this, but we're going to give it a try. Actually, the worst thing is maybe this is the cart before the horse thing, because really before I even do this, I have to have the thing that builds the images, because that's what this depends on, that image. So there's no real good way to test what I'm doing here until that is done, and KPack doesn't work right now. I kind of am too far though. I got this working. Ooh, ads are starting right now. I'm gonna run and get a drink while ads are going. You guys have fun watching an ad. I'm gonna go get a drink. Keep checking. Oh, yes. I'm back with some raspberry green tea. I believe it's the drink of men everywhere. If not, it's going to be. It's pretty delicious. Pretty delicious. Let's just, if this works, I'm just going to leave it because we can't really test it. Let's see. It's not going to be this. Why can't I go to definition? Why is that not working? Let's make a different one here. Get it. Yeah. Istio networking GVR. And what this is going to do, we're actually going to ask for the resource as a string, right? And that's going to return a schema of group version resource. Why is this all funky? Why is this all funky? I screwed some. Oh, I think it's all because I have this open thing right here. 1 second. I know how to fix this. There we go. Now, this should not be so. There we go. Whoa. That's better. Okay. Cool. This is going to be, what was it? Networking Istio. Let's see this right here. Version was v1 beta 1, right? v1 beta 1. And the resource is going to be the resource. All right. I'm an idiot. There we go. It still doesn't like it. Let's see. Resources, resource. Is this a capital string? I can never remember. Going back and forth between Rust and it's a lowercase string. Yeah. Okay. I was right the first time. All right. I expected a colon found schema. What? Oh. No. That's return. Return. My good friend. Just return. All right. Let's get Istio deployment. Networking, Istio networking, GVR. I don't think I'm quite set up for Go. I don't think this is working quite as well as it was for Rust. And this was going to be a virtual service. I think something got screwed up with my ad manager. I had it pushed off for as far as possible. And now it's like every 45 minutes. I thought it was like an hour and then 3 minutes of ad. But now it looks like every 15 minutes. That's horrifying. That's horrifying. Let's see. I think this is horrifying. I think I have too many of these. Yeah. Get network. Yeah, that's wrong. I just don't remember. Get Istio network GRV. That I was close. I was close. Cannot use a virtual service. Variable type virtual service as unstructured in argument to. Oh, okay. I need an unstructured variable here. Do I remember how to make it a unstructured variable? Not really. How did I do it to deployment? Okay. No conversion needed. Okay, let me see what I've done there. Okay. Well, blah. It's kind of dumb. I don't want to convert it. Let's see. Is there an easy convert YAML to unstructured? That's what I like. Should be easy, right? Okay, so just something like this. Seems fair. Whoops. One more. And then we'll just, okay, we have this U here, which is nice. Y is our virtual service. Bada bing, bada boom. What is T? I don't care. T should be some, let's see. We'll just do a.logs. This is our sugared logger, right? Should be. So we could just do like error W. Let's see. Failed to marshal virtual service to unstructured data. I think that's yeah, good enough. And then we'll just do error and pass in the error. Undefined go JSON. Where did we get go JSON? Where's our imports? What is I've used JSON and YAML. I don't know what I've gotten myself into. What have I got in my... Let's look at this gist. Now... Oh, this is the Go version of JSON. I got where they're referring to Go JSON here. Can we just do JSON then? This should fix it, right? Cannot use virtual. Wait. Why not? Cannot use virtual service variable of type as byte value in argument to JSON.marshal. Why not? Why not? I'm not sure I understood that. Cannot use virtual service, variable type virtual service, as byte value in our... okay. I see what they're saying, because it's too unmarshal. Did I do this right? Let's look at this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just want to take a object and marshal it to unstructured. That's all I want. That's all I want in life. Let's see. Run JSON. Let's see. What is Y? What is Y here? What are you, Y? Oh, this is just a byte array. I see. I see. I was blindly copying stuff. Let's see. Maybe... Ooh. KYAML to go. What? How supported is this? Not very. This sounds amazing. Let's see. Do I need to... Do I just need to make it YAML first and then take it from YAML to... Or maybe to JSON. And then take that JSON to unstructured. I was kind of hoping I could just take it straight to unstructured. I guess the other option is just to do what I originally did with I guess the other thing that I could do is just do what I did originally up here with this, where I just codify it as an unstructured. This feels a little more rough than what I wanted to do. I kind of wanted to just use their API specs. Maybe I need to look this up before we do anything with it. I need to understand what horse we're kicking. All right. It's probably a good place to call it. I gotta go check on my sick kids, see how they're doing. Yeah. So I'm gonna go check on my sick kids. I'm gonna be thinking about this. I don't know what the right... Well, I'm gonna ask Twitter. I don't know what the right way of doing this is. Like, part of me likes this, where we just bring in the service. And then part of me says, if you actually have the types here, you don't actually have to, you know, make a... You don't actually have to make a unstructured. You actually have the structured. So I'm going to need to look into this because there's a lot of code generation that goes into this as well. And I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use it. I like the proto buffer though. I think that this is a nifty way of doing it. It's probably what we'll end up doing for the null cloud, right? We'll have an operator that powers it. You can talk to the API via the proto buffer if you like. All right, let's see. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, I am going to call it a night. I am super tired. It's been busy. I have a lot of work to do. A lot of work. I have to go build a shelf. I don't know if you guys build a shelf. It's a lot of work. All right. See you guys later.